Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to draw Vegeta vs Moro. I'm using a zero point 0.5 mechanical pencil and some color pencils and some oil pastels. I am drawing on a A5 sheet of paper as you can see, and I have already drawn 7 cm and 3 cm borders around it. I am using this image as reference from the manga. Now I am drawing a partition between the paper. On the left side I'll draw Vegeta and on the right side I'll draw Moro. Let's start with Vegeta. I'm drawing a circular shape to draw his head, and now I'm drawing Vegeta's eyes. Now draw a triangular shape for his nose. Now join the bottom part of the nose with the chin, and now draw the forehead. Draw his ears. Draw additional face features like wrinkles around the eyes and his mouth. Now I am drawing his hairs. Now I am drawing Vegeta's neck and his scouter part. Now let's draw Vegeta's hands. This one is not looking good, so I'll erase it and draw it the hand again. But first I am darkening all the lines of Vegeta. Now on the right side I am drawing Moro, starting off with a circle and now drawing his eyes with the muscles above the eyes and drawing his face. I'm drawing a rectangular shape for his elongated face, as you can see here. Now I'm drawing his mouth and the head part. Draw teeth, hands and nose part, and make some wrinkles around his lips and his faces. Sketching is done. Now I'm with this ordinary gel pen. Okay, so the inking is done, and as you can see I have thickened the lines and this looks great. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using oil pastels to draw the background. Here is our final result and it is looking great. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more anime, manga, superhero related content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. So if we had